What's up, people? It's your boy Carf. I'm here in Minnesota, where I live. About to bring the Flycraft out for the first time on a river with the trolling motor. That's new. I'm gonna be looking for smallies and gators. Go get them. Just going upriver, and my plan is to float back. This river is kind of kicking my ass right now. I'm moving very slow. That's what I have tied on. Got a Parichi twisty tail on there that I got from the homie Nightmare Musky Flies. Partridge Attitude Extra hook, flash dumbbell eyes, and the tail tied directly to it. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, the GoPro. Just trying to go upriver. See if we can catch a fish. Yes, I got one. Little smallie action for you. Oh, that was the worst release ever. We need extra friggin' power. I'm tying a popper